Hello everyone. I reviewed the Rosefray waterproof sectional patio sofa cover. First,
Hello,
here
Rosefray
is an unboxing of the Rosefray outdoor L-shaped sectional. It's not perfectly tight in every corner, but close enough that it doesn't look sloppy. The waterproof spill-resistant fabric is a significant plus. Instead of soaking in immediately, I spilled coffee, which beat it up on the surface. That gave me time to blot it up without permanent stains. I also like how the cover handles general wear, pet claws, kids, food crumbs, hides much of the mess. I've run a vacuum over it, and it holds up well. It has elastic anchoring straps attached, so you can keep the cover strapped down so it doesn't blow away in any gust of wind. Overall, this Rosefray sectional cover delivers excellent value for the price and protection. If you want to shield your couch from spills, pets, or being full of decaying leaves without buying a whole new couch, this is a smart move. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.